In this video, we show you how to set up a daily email from HubSpot that tells you which prospects are coming to your website. You'll also learn how to set up revisit notifications every time one of your prospects revisits your website. So check it out. First things first, make sure that you are logged into your HubSpot portal, and then come over to the Reports menu in the main navigation. Click on Analytics Tools and scroll all the way down to the bottom to Prospects. Before you set up your notifications, what you need to do is make sure that your filters are set up. This internet service provider is equal to false. This filter is always set by default. What this means is many small companies or individuals don't have their own IP addresses. And so when they come to your website, this would appear as Comcast or Verizon is visiting your website. You can always get rid of this, but of course, keep in mind that this is a default part of the prospecting tool in HubSpot. Now, if you want to add any filters, you can do that. If you want to keep it within a certain city, add your city filter. Once you have your filter set up, come over to the Actions menu and click on Manage Notifications, and this box will appear. If you would like a daily email where you get a summary of the companies in this particular filtered view that have visited your website, turn this on. If you would like a revisit notification, make sure that this is also turned on. Now, if you are an administrator, you can come over to the team notifications and you can indicate and subscribe particular people on your team to this daily email, as well as subscribe certain team members to this particular revisit notification as well. Once you have these all set, click Save and you will start receiving your daily email as well as your revisit notifications. This is much better than having to manually check the prospecting tool on a regular basis.